Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Hope people you will be fine. You will see the stylish As you will see the stylish and most beautiful pixie haircuts, short hairs with long bob haircuts ideas, and how much beautiful, unique new all best features and stylish long hairs with short bob haircuts ideas and more than hundreds of new designs ideas bring you my channel. Creative and unique new all best pixie haircuts, modern and unique new light white hair colors, bob haircuts and pixie haircuts ideas. Creative and unique new all collections and best videos and unique new best pixie haircuts and how much beautiful unique new all. Everyone stylish best pixie haircuts and more than hundreds of new designs ideas brilliant on my channel. 2023 upcoming and unique new all best pixie haircuts, different styles and unique new all modern and attractive, outstanding and stylish, different styles and different pixie haircuts and most beautiful, amazing collections and how much beautiful, unique new all attractive and stylish, more than hundreds of new designs ideas bring you my channel. Latest and unique and most beautiful, outstanding and unique new stylish best collections and unique new best pixie haircuts. Popular pixie haircuts and hairstyles for women you want to try in home and stylish all best patterns and unique new outstanding and stylish pixie haircuts and bob haircuts ideas and most beautiful adorable and stylish all collections and unique new all best pixie haircuts. More than hundreds of new designs, ideas, creative and unique new all best collections and stylish best pixie haircuts. So till the next video guys, and for watching my all videos and you will see the stylish and unique new all best pixie haircuts, short hairs with layered haircuts, ideas and how much different stylish all collections and unique new best pixie haircuts. So till the next video guys, and for watching my all videos and unique new all best collections in 2023 upcoming and unique new all best pixie haircuts and unique new all. So guys, you will see the stylish and most beautiful latest and unique new all best pixie haircuts. So till the next video guys, and for watching my all videos and you will see the stylish and unique new all best pixie haircuts and different styles, different patterns, how much beautiful and unique new all advanced stylish best pixie haircuts ideas. So till the next video, see you soon guys. Allah Hafiz.